Are you one of those people who doesn't care about putting thumbnails on their videos? Then you are restricting your own views. It's alright. Stay a few seconds in this video and you will know the secrets of making thumbnails. I see many real estate agents or realtors who don't pay attention to their video thumbnails. Or some people put up thumbnails but they don't look as good. Think of it like this. You open a shop, you beautifully design the interior, but you don't design the exterior. As a result, people are not interested and don't enter your shop. The same rule applies to the thumbnails. Always remember these 5 C's before you make thumbnails. Number 1, contrast. Number 2, conflict. Number 3, curiosity. Number 4, confusion. And number 5 is controversy. Make sure your thumbnails contain 1 to 2 of these 5 C's to really encourage your viewers to click on them. The next thing to keep in mind is the rule of 3, which includes either 3 subjects, 3 frames, 3 colors, or 3 words in your thumbnails. You don't need to add too many things to your thumbnails and make people confused. Look at these thumbnails created by big influencers who follow the rule of 3. If you draw a triangle on them, then you can notice many of the subjects directing towards the subject face, guiding the viewer's eye to the focal point of the thumbnails, making viewers want to click to see more. I hope you got this. If you have any confusion, then comment below.